In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically add page numbers in Canva. This is a new feature, so let's get started. So first you need to be inside of your document on Canva. Mine is just an example document with 5 pages. Now we're going to add some page numbers here and we're going to do it automatically. To do that, go to text on the left, and then once you've clicked on text, you need to scroll down, and here you'll see dynamic text. This is a new feature. Go ahead and click on it, and then it will add page numbers to all pages. Now, what you might need to do is find the page number and customize the size and also the color. So the page number in my case is right in the bottom. And what I'm going to do is we're just going to move it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it and make it bigger. This is just for visual purposes. Obviously, you would change this to whatever style you need. But you can see we've added page number 1. Now, do make sure that when this box appears, you choose numbers only and all pages if you want your page numbers to be on all pages. But then you should have all of these different page numbers here. You've got 2, you've got 3, 4, and 5. Now, you are going to have to move these into a location every time if you want to change the location and things like that. But it is going to add automatic page numbers, and that is exactly how you would do it.